How to make an ad landing page with Performance Max. Here are some tips for creating effective landing pages to complement Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. 1. Keep it focused. Have a clear call to action above the fold and only include information relevant to driving that specific conversion. 2. Make forms short and reduce friction points wherever possible so users can easily complete the desired action. 3. Ensure critical information is visible on mobile screens and don't rely solely on hover or expansion effects. 4. Use similar branding, messaging, offers that are working well in your Performance Max ads across other channels like YouTube. 5. Include trust signals like customer ratings, security badges, proof of credibility to increase confidence. 6. Allow users to select preferences or options to self-direct themselves to the most suitable path/offer. 7. Minimize distractions and kickback options. Don't give too many chances to exit without converting. 8. Optimize pages for landing page experience and speed. Every second delay decreases conversions. 9. Set up goals and use data like scroll tracking to understand behavior and improve layouts, formats over time. 10. Connect your site analytics to accurately evaluate and compare landing page performance. Focus on understanding motivators and hesitation points through testing on a small scale initially when applying these strategies.